Hi, boys and girls. Hey, yesterday we sang the Brown song and we colored the little book. But I forgot to tell you something really, really important. Okay, make sure you save your Brown book and put it in your book box. And then make sure you read it and then write it on your new reading log for November. So I noticed when I got the October reading logs that some of you are reading lots of books from your house and they're amazing, but you're not reading the books in your book box, the kindergarten books. And some of you are reading all the books in your book box, but you're not reading other books. I kind of want you to change it up. I want you to read lots of books. The little books in your book box, they're your alphabet books, and your books that you have at home or that you get in the library, okay? So what we're gonna do is just sing this really quick. So I've got my little dancing crayon, okay? The song went, there is a color we all know. Can you guess what it is? B-R-O-W-N, B-R-O-W-N, B-R-O-W-N. That's how you spell brown. Teddy bears and squirrels are brown. Autumn leaves are too. Chocolate candy's always brown. Chocolate cake is always brown. Chocolate milk is always brown. I like brown, don't you? Yes! Okay, that was just a quick way to sing that song really fast without the book. And then I want you to get out your purple folder again. And this time you've got 2 packets in here. So I am going to get out this color packet first. And I'm going to turn ahead to the brown page. I'm pretty sure this was in the right order. I can't remember if I switched mine or not, but if you have some pages in between the pink or the white or something, then just, go till you find brown, B-R-O-W-N. I'm going to start out with my pencil and write my name, and Mrs. J. Okay, I'm going to trace brown, B-R-O-W-N, and that could be with your pencil probably. The crayon might be a little too thick to do that. So it's already dotted, so you just have to trace it. You have to trace it 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Then you're going to get your brown crayon. And yesterday I showed you how you could do dark brown or light brown. Maybe I'll do a little pattern. Dark brown, light brown, dark brown, light brown, dark brown, light brown. Oh, I kind of made a mistake. Oh, well, that's okay. Light brown. See how I kind of switched off? Dark and light and dark and light. Then I want you to use your pencil again, just in case you make a mistake. I'm going to find B-R-O-W-N, B-R-O-W-N, B-R-O-W-N. Now there's a, oh, look at, they put the word is in there. That's a sight word, but that doesn't say brown. And I can sound this one out, B-ig. Okay, and guess what? They're trying to trick us. They put B-L-A-C-K, spells black. That doesn't say brown. Okay, now they want you to write it all by yourself. So you can look right here. That's a good spot to look. You can look here, and you're going to write it with lowercase letters, B-R-O-W-N. Please use a pencil, just in case you make a mistake. B-R-O-W-N. I'm using lowercase, not capital. B-R-O-W-N. And then at the bottom, we get our little cut and paste, right? We get to cut these letters out. Oh, I hope, yeah, here's my scissors. I got my big giant ones. I'm going to cut straight across on that dotted line down at the bottom. I don't like it to be messy, so I'm going to go straight across there. And then I'll cut out the small little squares. Now it's nice and neat on the bottom, and I don't have a jagged edge. It's nice and straight. Okay, now I'm going to cut all these little letters out, and then I'll put them in the right order so you can sing your song. Because right now it says R-B-W-N-O. And we know we don't spell brown with an R. There's R in that, but it doesn't start with R. Now be really careful when you're looking for B. Because if you turn it this way, that's not a B, it's a P. So I've got to hold it like this. I'm just going to set it up first before I start gluing. Don't put the glue stick on there yet. If you put them in the right order, B-R-O, W, be careful with W too, boys and girls, because if you turn it upside down, it's going to look like an M, W, and N. Now, once you have that, then you can ask Mom and Dad if you got it right. Okay, I'm nervous to push this down anymore because I don't want it to, here, I'll try it. I'll try. Have to be really, really gentle. There we go. Okay, now let me get my glue stick again. I had it. I'm just going to push these up a little bit, get them out of the way. I'll put the glue stick here in the boxes because if I put it on the back of the letters, I might get it all over the paper, all over the table. B-R-O. Now the O doesn't matter if you turn it upside down because it's a O no matter what, right? Because it's a circle. Turn me around, I don't care. All right, B-R-O-W-N. There we go. Be careful with the N. If you glue it like that, that's going to be a U. Got to be careful with your letters. There we go. Okay, so I'm done. I'll go back and I'll color that little girl later because I want to have enough time to do this one. So again, I'm pretty sure that mine are in the right order. The last color page we did was, we did orange and black, didn't we, for Halloween? We did orange and the black cat. So if you don't have those done, it means you must have missed a couple of lessons and we're on brown, okay? Now what I'm gonna do first is circle B-R-O-W-N. Here's another one, B-R-O-W-N, B-R-O-W-N. That's how you spell brown. Here's another one. Here's another one. Now there's some ones on here, they're trying to trick you. This is a funny one, boys and girls. It almost looks like brown, but it's C-L-O-W-N instead of B-R-O-W-N. That spells clown. They're actually rhyming words though, clown and brown. Oh, I found another one. I almost got tricked. Okay, oh, B-R-O-O-M. That's broom. So it doesn't even matter if you might not know how to read all those words, but you'll know if it says brown or not, because you know you can sing the song. Now, I have some kids that are forgetting to do this. Okay, so then I know that you're not watching the lesson if you're just coloring the page. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I want to try it again because that's easy to make a mistake. 1, 2, oops, I circled something that was supposed to be X'd out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I was right, but sometimes teachers make mistakes too. So I'm going to put an 8 here. Start with an S, but do not stop. Close up the bottom, close up the top. Now I will know if you watch this video if you put the 8 here. Because if you forget, then you probably just went and found this and just colored it by yourself without watching the lesson. And, that's okay. I know sometimes you guys are in a hurry, but it's better to watch the lesson. All right, so now I'm going to color brown, and what I'm going to do is kind of mix up my dark and my light. I might do the belly really dark, and I might do the face light, and the inside of the ears dark, however you want to do it. I'm going to color my whole teddy bear brown. Cute little teddy bear, cute little face. Okay, and that's all we have to do today. We are done. Good job. Okay, great job learning the word brown.